Hi everyone, Esthetician Vanessa here. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe down below. Today we are using your golden palette by ColourPop. I already prepped my skin with e.l.f.'s primer and NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is the Your Golden palette. She's going to give us a nice easy summer makeup look. We are priming our lids with Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is going to help make the eyeshadows last all day and become more vibrant and more pigmented. By priming our lids, it gives us an easy canvas. With your fluffy brush, you're going to pick up covet and you're going to do windshield wiper motions, and I'm applying that more in the inner corner of my eye socket and fluffing it out towards the outer corner. This is going to give us a nice transition. With a more dense, fluffy brush, you're going to apply Secret Spot into the crease and on the outside corner. Also sweep her underneath the lower lash line as well. I think everyone should at least have 3 blending brushes in their kit. This is a pencil brush. I'm picking up Bask. It's like this bronzy brown shade with gold reflex. I'm packing it on versus instead of doing windshield wiper motions. That way we get the full color of the glitter onto the eyelid. I'm creating a C shape with that pencil brush. I picked up this orangey penny color with my finger, and that's going to give you the most pigment is with your fingers. This eyeshadow is called Balmy, and I swapped her underneath the under eyes as well. Again, using our fingers, that's what makes this tutorial so easy. I picked up the lightest gold shade and applied that in the inner corners of my eyes and went back in with a fluffy brush to blend everything out. For the brow bone, I used a lighter shade with a flat brush to pull everything together. This is a powder bronzer by Milani in Pecan. I'm doing the figure 3 method, so forehead, cheekbones, and jawline and nose. For a blush, I went in with a peachy blush. For lips, I applied a clear gloss and NYX Mauve lip liner. And this completes your easy summer bronzy makeup look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye!